Hi there, my name is Patrick Davidson. Thanks for checking out my Skillshare profile. I've been using the Skillshare platform for years now to learn new skills. And when I decided to start making my own classes here, I wanted to make classes that I would want to watch myself. So hopefully you will too. I work mainly in 2D, or hand-drawn animation. I started animating over 20 years ago now, and I've learned a lot by trial and error. You can avoid a lot of my errors by learning the animation techniques I actually use to complete my projects. Animated projects like the 100-episode web comedy series, Traveling Gringos, or my 22-minute short action film, Trep. These personal projects have helped me find client work ranging from TV commercials to feature films. If you are working alone, like me, you will need to learn more skills than just animation to get your project completed. Skills like character design, scripting, storyboards, compositing, editing, audio work, and more. I can't teach everything in one class, so I hope you will follow my profile here at Skillshare. That way you'll get notified when I post new classes. And don't forget to do the class projects if you can. I enjoy reviewing them all. I hope you like my classes.